Dropshipping, how to start a profitable e-commerce business without managing inventory. Have you ever dreamed of owning your own successful e-commerce business, but didn't know where to start? Well, let me tell you a story about a young woman named Mary. Mary had always dreamed of owning her own business. She had a passion for fashion and had been following the latest trends for years. But there was one thing holding her back. She didn't have the funds to invest in inventory. Mary was feeling discouraged, but she didn't give up. She started researching and came across a business model that changed her life: dropshipping. Dropshipping is a way to set up an e-commerce business without the need to manage inventory. Essentially, you create an online store and partner with a supplier who handles the product storage, packaging, and shipping. This allows you to focus on marketing and growing your business without worrying about the logistics of inventory. Mary was intrigued, so she did more research and started to set up her own dropshipping business. And now, just a few years later, she's running a successful online store and living the life of her dreams. So, if you're like Mary and have been dreaming of owning your own e-commerce business, dropshipping might just be the solution you've been looking for. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a profitable dropshipping business step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started and be on your way to running your own successful e-commerce store. The first step in setting up a profitable dropshipping business is to find a niche that you're passionate about. It's important to choose a niche that you're interested in and have some knowledge about, as this will help you create a better store and connect with your customers. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find a supplier. There are many dropshipping suppliers out there, so it's important to do your research and find one that meets your needs. When you've found a supplier, it's important to establish a relationship with them. This will help you build trust and ensure that you're getting the best products and service possible. With your supplier in place, it's time to set up your online store. There are many e-commerce platforms available, but we recommend using Shopify as it's user-friendly and offers many useful features. When setting up your store, make sure to set up payment and shipping options that are easy and convenient for your customers. And don't forget about the design. Your website should be visually appealing and easy to navigate. Once your store is up and running, it's time to start advertising. Social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook are great places to start, as they allow you to target specific audiences and reach potential customers. It's important to track your advertising efforts and analyze the data to see what's working and what's not. This will help you make informed decisions about your marketing strategies and improve your sales. As orders start to come in, it's important to fulfill them quickly and efficiently. This will help you maintain good customer relationships and build a positive reputation for your business. Finally, it's important to review your finances regularly and make adjustments as needed. Keep track of your expenses and profits, and don't be afraid to make changes to your pricing or marketing strategies if necessary. And there you have it. With these steps in mind, you can set up a profitable dropshipping business just like Mary did. Remember, it takes hard work and dedication, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this.